Hi, my name is Eldrin Lee, and our team is Team Jacob. Our project was a replica of Kickstarter, a platform where people can bring out their ideas, and before they're even created, they can get funded for special benefits or whoever is funding them. Um, we divided our project into three different components. The component that I worked on is called the description component. Basically, it just has all the information about what the project is based on. It has the title, the creator, the description, where it's from, the genre, the pictures, the idea that they're selling, um, and it's just laid out in a dynamic interface where people can just check out the product. The second component that my teammate worked on is the pledge component, where they can pledge a certain amount of money, and depending on the amount of money, they get a different perk, such as maybe they get a special edition product, maybe they get the product before anybody else. It could be anything. The third component that my last teammate worked on is the comments component, where multiple people can choose to comment and talk about how they feel about the product, have a discussion, almost like a mini forum within the product page. Some of the difficulties that we came up with is integration. It was a little bit difficult to set up the proxy and make sure that everything can fit perfectly well together because despite being three separate components, they weren't just stacked on top of each other. They were heavily integrated. So my component might be here and my teammate's component might be there. And if I click a button, another one of my teammate's component might pop up. That took a lot more dividing up than I thought it would. The technology that we used was Flexbox over CSS Grid because we wanted it to be a nice dynamic view where it'll just keep its ratio no matter what size the viewer or the browser is. That worked out well. We choose to have a sticky navigation bar that follows. It was very good. Rather than rendering a new page each time we press one of the navigation buttons, we chose to have it scroll down to one of our information instead. That worked out fantastically. Some of the interesting other difficulties we had were maybe some of the CSS. It was, even though we could just go into the website and look up what kind of font, what kind of design that they used, it was a little bit more complicated to actually implement. Other than that, I will say that this project was a huge success. We were able to create everything. Everything looked good. It looked extremely similar to the actual Kickstarter website. And the only, I guess, thing left is to integrate using the proxy.